Hello there. In this video we're going to be covering turning left from a major to a minor road. Now you typically do this lesson after you've done moving off and stopping. Now it's not perfect, this lesson normally, because you are going to come across some T-junctions, and normally when I'm teaching turning left from a major to a minor road, when we get to a T-junction I just get my learners to stop, talk them through where to look, and then we come out the junction, just practicing their moving off and stopping still a little bit. And then as they improve on their major to minor turns, then we move on to the emerging subjects. So for now, we've got a little route here where I'm going to be turning left, 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 and I'm going to be focusing on turning left from a major to a minor road, but I will talk you through a little bit on the T-junctions while I'm there. So first things first, we need to get going, and I'm going to talk you through how to move away quickly. So it's clutch down into first, set the gas, find the biting point, and then my observations, looking all around me, and if it's clear, I'm going to wait for this vehicle coming. As he's approaching, I'm going to start my routine again, so preparation, observation, manoeuvre. And it's clear, right shoulder if it's safe, handbrake down, checking my interior mirror and right door mirror to come out for this car. And then into second. Trying to leave an open car door for these parked vehicles. I've got a vehicle coming towards us, so I need to give way. And I'm give way positions like a half in, half out position. So it's mirrors to come out. I'm coming out quite slow here because I can't see round this white vehicle, and then it's my mirrors to come back in. So it's not ideal, cars, vans, etc. parking on bends, because you can see there it caused us a few issues. Now I've got my first turning left from a major into a minor road, so I'm going to start the routine MSPSL. So it's mirrors, interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on, and I'm coming off the gas. I'm braking gently, I'm in third gear, so I'm going to go clutch down into second, about 3 to 5 car lengths away. I'm bringing my clutch back up, and then I'm steering top to bottom with the steering. As you noticed, I brought my clutch up before I went into the corner. I'm going to turn left again, so it's interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on. I'm in second already, so I'm just coming off the gas. I'm just going to let this one tick over around 10 miles an hour, looking into that road before I turn in, and then it's interior mirror, right door mirror before making progress again. Now I'm not going to make too much progress because I've got a bend coming up. I need to come out for this parked vehicle. But now I can jog along a little bit, so engine sounding noisy, so this is my third gear. And we're making a little bit of progress now. Got a school on the right, coming up to lunchtime here, so I'm just going to keep my eyes peeled a little bit more. Now, at the end of the road, I'm going to be turning left. So this is a T-junction. So same routine, MSPSL. So it's interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on, off the gas. It's quite a blind one, this one. I'm looking right and left and I can't see anything. So that's telling me it's going to be a first gear. I'm braking gently, clutch down into first before I get to the junction, and I'm just turning my steering wheel a little bit. Now, as I say, what I do with my learners normally is I just get them to stop, talk them through where to look, right, left, right, and more if necessary. Always look into that road before you drive into it. If it's clear, we can go. As you get better at the T-junctions, you won't need to stop, but that was a blind one. And if you're just starting out with your learning, your instructor will probably ask you to stop on those to keep it safe until you're doing the observations quickly and you've got good car control under your belt. Now I've got another T-junction here. I'm going to do my routine MSPSL again, interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on, braking gently, clutch is down about 1-2 car lengths away on the T-junctions normally, and then into first, and I'm just pulling my steering wheel a little bit, and then it's right, left, right, more if necessary. If it's busy, you're going to feel like you're watching a tennis match. And then it's interior mirror, right door mirror to come out for that white van. Got a bit of a bend here, so I can't make too much progress. But looking ahead now, it's opening up a bit, I can. So we're going to give it one more lap. Need to fill some of these potholes. Mirrors to come back in for the parked vehicles. And before this vehicle here, I'm checking my interior mirror, right door mirror, and we're doing that in plenty of time. So if someone is trying to pass us, I can react in good time. Just checking my mirror for the potential hazard. This lady's opening the car door. What if she leaves it open longer than I expect? So I'm ready to stop. Got another hazard here. So I'm going to go a little bit slower on this one. We're going to be turning left, so it's interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on. I'm braking gently, and you want to be 10 miles an hour, second gear, about 5 car lengths away, 3 to 5 car lengths away, clutch is back up, and then it's my priority here. But I am just looking at that lady in the car, making sure she's behaving and she's not going to turn in front of me. So I'm turning left again, it's interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal. Again, if a vehicle's coming towards us here, it is our priority, but we do need to look at them and make sure they're behaving. Assess their vehicle speed. If they're charging up to the junction and changing their steering position, although it's your priority to avoid an accident, you might want to slow down and just anticipate they're going to turn before you. It does happen, especially in rush hour, unfortunately. So I'm going to wrap things up and pull up. So I'm checking my mirrors. It's looking good to pull up somewhere along this road. Mirrors, and I'll put my signal on here. A little bit of activity on the road ahead, junction up there as well. I'm going to stop by this grass verge. And it's handbrake, neutral, cancel the signal, rest your feet. So that is how you turn left from a major into a minor road. On the next lesson, we're going to be looking at how to turn right from a major into a minor road. I hope this video has helped. If you like the video, check out our website, driveJohnsons. We've got an area on there called the Learner Centre. Loads of videos, loads of content on pretty much every subject for learning to drive. Also consider following us on our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.